love him?
Pardon me?
You love him.
You're being very rude. You shouldn't be asking me this.
Well, it's a simple question. Do you love the guy or not?
This is not a suitable conversation.
Why can't you just answer the question?
This is absurd. You don't know me and I don't know you, and we are not having this conversation at all. You are rude and uncouth and presumptuous, and I am leaving now.
Jack, Mr. Dawson, it's been a pleasure. I sought you out to thank you, and now I have thanked you.
And you've insulted me.
Well, you deserve it.
Right.
Right.
I thought you were leaving.
I am. You are so annoying. Wait, I don't have to leave. This is my part of the ship. You leave.
Well, well, well.